Are you having trouble sending messages on your iPhone with every message showing a not delivered status? Don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through all the possible fixes to get your messages sending again. So let's get started. The very first thing I have to say is that verify that your mobile plan includes SMS-messaging and that you haven't exceeded your texting limits. If needed, top up your balance or check with your carrier to ensure SMS is active on your plan. Next thing I'd say to do is try enabling and disabling airplane mode, as this refreshes your network glitches. For iMessage users, check if iMessage is activated by going to Settings, then navigate to Apps, and then Messages, scroll down and ensure iMessage is enabled. Also, incorrect date and time settings can also cause issues. In order to check that, you need to go back to Settings, then navigate to General, then tap on Date and Time, and turn on Set Automatically to ensure your iPhone's time is synced properly. If none of these steps work, try resetting network settings. This will reset all network-related configurations, including Wi-Fi passwords and VPN settings, but won't delete personal data. To do this, go to Settings, then navigate to General. Scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and then reset network settings. That's it. Hopefully one of these solutions helped you fix your iPhone's messaging issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.